welcome to this video, and today we are going to resolve the problem with different windows in the same browser. So we have element, and clicking on this element opens new window for us. So let's see what is happening and how to navigate between different windows. We have page, and one element on this page opens another window. So we click somewhere here and it opens new window for us. So how to navigate between these both windows and how to click and get text from this window. So let's come back and see what we can do. First of all, we need to handle our windows, and we need to count our windows. And this is what we can do. First is we'll create a string handle, and we will pass to this window this method. Okay, by this name, this string will remember current window, first window, the window that we just opened. We don't click on this element yet, so we will record first window, then we click, and then we will switch to the second window. But before switch to the second window, we have to find and record second window. So let's do this for now. We will create for, and in this point we will create second window. So handle 1, we have handle and handle 1, and this handle 1 we will pass our same method. But what I'm going to do here is, you can see here we use only E in the end, getWindowHandle. At this point we have only one window, but after we click we already have two windows, and that's why we want to use getWindowHandlers. It means we have multiple windows, and this is very important. And it is very important to record our first window before we open second. So make sure you first remember your first window, then you click, new window opens, and you record your second window. All right, here, what we'll do here, we will switch to this window. Switch to window, and at this point we want to choose which one we want to switch to, this one or to this one. So since we want to navigate on the window 2, we will switch to window 2. And that's probably it of our switching method. And let's see if we actually switch to the second window. Let's try to grab something from the second window. So I'm going to grab this string over there. Just we'll extract text from this, and let's create string text driver, find element by XPath, and I already prepared XPath for this right here, my XPath hyperlink. You can check it if you want, but that's what I already prepared, so we don't spend time on it here. And we will get text. Great. And let's print out our text, and let's run it actually, so we know it doesn't fail. All right, it opens new window, and it says it passed. And what we can see, great, it actually prints this for the American website. See hyperlinked, this exact link, so we know it works.